This is the proper way to clean and coat your glass surface with Glaco Glass Compound and Ultra Glaco. First, start with Glaco Glass Compound. Shake it well, then remove the cap. Then, squeeze some of the solution on the glass surface. And simply press onto the glass and apply it in a circular pattern. Squeeze more solution as needed. Glaco Glass Compound will remove grime, water spots, and any old coating residue. This can also be used on glass sunroofs. Once you're done, just use water to rinse the solution off. The sheets of water flowing down the glass will mean that it's been properly descaled, degreased, and cleaned. Now you're ready for Ultra Glaco. Shake it well, then remove the cap. And squeeze the bottle to lubricate the felt pad. Then simply press onto the glass and apply it in a circular pattern. Squeeze more solution as needed. It is recommended to apply Ultra Glaco when the glass surface is clean and dry. This can also be used on glass sunroofs. Once you're done, wipe it off with a clean microfiber. For maximum effect, keep the coated glass surface dry for 12 hours. Now just look at that water bead beautifully. Ultra Glaco will last up to 12 months.